How to make free AI videos in 2026 complete beginner tutorial. You do not need a camera. You do not need a studio. You do not need a video editing background. And you do not need to spend a single dollar in 2026. Because the AI tools available for free are good enough to create videos that look like they were professionally produced. And of course, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the complete workflow from zero to finished to video, getting a proper video using only the free tools. Now, whether you want to create content for your YouTube, your Instagram, your business, or just to experiment, this is everything you need to know to make your first AI video today. Now, before we get into the actual workflow, let me give you the toolkit. These are the specific free tools that we're going to use and what each one does. First of all, we have Canva, which is for creating visual elements. You have animated slides, assembling the video structure. Canva's AI features on the free tier are also going to go ahead and include background removal with basic AI image generation and for their presentation to video tool. Then moving on, we have Suno AI. Again, a free tier for generating background music that matches the mood of your video without any copyright concerns. Now, Suno's free tier is going to give you a daily generation allowance that is sufficient for learning and casual production. Then, of course, we're going to move over to another great powerhouse that is called CapCut. Now, CapCut is also totally free. It's great for video assembly, adding different types of captions, transitions, and the final polish. Now, CapCut's free tier are going to include auto captioning, basic AI effects, and all the core editing features that you actually need. And finally, we're going to move over to the proper powerhouse, which is called Pika AI. Now, Pika AI is another free tier application that is going to allow you to go ahead and generate short animated video clips from text descriptions or images. Both are going to have free tiers with limited generations monthly. Now, the strategy for this is use each tool for what it does best. Combine all the outputs and produce a complete video at zero cost. Now, the biggest mistakes beginners make with AI video creation is jumping straight to the tools. Okay, AI tools are going to make production fast, but they cannot define your concept for you. That part is totally for you to decide. Now, before opening any tool, make sure to answer 3 questions. What is this video about? Who is the audience? And what do they want from this video? What do you want them to feel or do after watching? Now, for this tutorial, let's make an explainer video about the benefits of a morning routine. Short, specific, and achievable. So write a simple script. Just bullet points are fine. For your morning, like let's say in my opinion, the morning routine video, there should be an opening hook where most people feel rushed and reactive every morning. 3 benefits of a morning routine like mental clarity, productivity, stress reduction. 1 simple call to action to start, which is a 5-minute journaling. Closing call to action saying try it for 1 week. Now that's the structure, and you're going to refine it into a proper script. Now, you can literally use any generative AI out there, like let's say GPT or maybe Claude, which again, both are free. Use AI to turn your bullet points into a polished script. So you're going to paste your bullet points and prompt. Like, let's say I want a short script for let's go with morning routine video. So you're going to write that in. And of course, the generative AIs that we have are going to create things just as so. Pretty incredible, right? So you can simply copy this and add the prompt right here for your, GPT. Now, once we've done that, you're going to produce, a polished script just as so. And of course, you can also do it on softwares like Pika or any other generative AI softwares out there. Now, of course, for all of these, you do need to make sure that you have a proper account, okay? Because without an account, you will not be able to generate on any of these. You can also use Canva to generate the template library and select any video that matches your mood. Now, that video could be a template that you go with or one that you can create over here using its generative AI. You can also use the tons and tons of, gazillion templates that it actually has in its video section that you can open up just as so. And what you can do is simply browse templates and find the one that has a proper placeholder for your video. Okay, and obviously, as I said, it's a collaborative workflow where you can, use multiple things all at one place just as so. And use any of these that work better for your aesthetic or your design. Same goes with, Pika. You're going to want to make sure that the free AI generation that you're doing and the free AI gen that you're trying to make really and truly describes your idea and goes through with everything. So let's say I'm going to add my script just as so. You can go ahead and get the proper prompting for it. And what you can do from here on out is actually check your generations. Now, of course, over here, you can see on the basic plan, they're saying that I have a set number of generations. Now, I don't have a lot of generations to work with. So obviously make it count. Don't rush any generations for yourself. Make sure that the videos you are generating just as so are going to work accordingly with you. And of course, while these are happening, you can go over to Suno AI and have yourself, get some free commercial music from it, or you can even create your very own. Okay, and it's totally free. You can simply come over to create right here, and in the create section, you can simply go ahead and prompt any type of music you want. Okay, and just as so, once you've started creating everything totally for free, one by one, all you're going to need to do in the end of it is go to some incredible software like CapCut, which itself, by the way, also has softwares now that generate new videos for you. So as you can see, you can use Seedance 2.0 for your video generation and GPT image for image generation. And trust me, it is free for the first 2 to 3 generations. And later on, of course, you can get credits, but for the first few generations to see if it actually works, you're good to go. Now, once everything is done, you're going to assemble it in CapCut, give it your final polish, give it the recurring details, and your video is ready. Now, where you publish is going to depend on your goals. So for YouTube, create your channel. If you haven't, upload the video, write a description, add tags for yourself. So that's the gist of how you're going to be able to go ahead and create one of the greatest AI video automation system for yourself. Okay, and it all starts from Canva. And honestly, you can do it all in Canva if you put your mind to it and use the correct applications, okay? There are many different ways to do this for yourself to make sure to use the correct belongings, the correct applications, and the proper workings for it, okay? It's really simple. It's really straightforward to make sure to, follow all the ways and proper, technicalities that go through this. Watch the video from start to end. And of course, make sure to follow every step in process and all the applications that I have stated, because doing so will go ahead and allow you to get to the point where you need to get to. So that is pretty much about it. That's the pretty straightforward and a very simple process of creating a free AI video in 2026. So that is pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.